Hey guys, it's Victoria. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be trying out the Morphe 9M Melon Pop palette. So this is a super cute summery palette, and this is what it looks like. So it's obviously watermelon inspired, I guess you could say. And there are just these really pretty pink shades and a few greens and then some neutral brown colors down here and then very light colors up top. We're just going to play around with some of the colors in this palette today, so let's get started. So I already have my lids primed and I did apply my foundation and concealer already. I'm just going to start out by setting that primer using a Morphe M441 brush. And I'm going into the shade Melon Frosé, which is just a matte white shade. And I'm just placing that on the outer corner of the eye and dragging it into the crease. And using another Morphe M441 brush, I'm going to go into this matte pink shade. And I'm just going to place that on the outer corner of the eye. And then once that shade is applied, I'm going to deepen that up using this color right here, which is more of a red shade. I'm just placing that on the outer corner of the eye. Now that those shades are applied, I'm going to go in with a little bit of concealer on a flat eyeshadow brush and just cut the inner half of my lid. And now I'm going into the shade Icy Slice. I'm just going to use my ring finger. This is a very pretty light pink shimmery eyeshadow color. And I'm just going to tap that on the concealer. I'm going into that same shade on a flat eyeshadow brush so that we can get a more precise application. And now I'm going to go in with a smaller eyeshadow brush. And I'm using the shade Sweet Sandia, which is this light green shimmery color. I'm going to place that along the lower lash line. And I'm also using the shade Rise and Rind, which is a darker green shimmery color. I'm placing that on the outer part of the lower lash line. So there is really no fallout with the green shimmery colors, which is really nice since I did use them on the lower lash line. The pink matte shade I kind of wish was a little bit more pigmented, but that kind of got fixed. Once I used this shade right below it, it brought out the color a lot more. And I really do like the shimmery color that we used that came up way more pigmented than I thought it was going to look when I swatched it with my finger. I'm just going to go in with an angled eyeshadow brush and kind of add a little bit of a wing using the shade Too Juiced. And I'm just going to tap my brush into that and just create a wing on the outer corner. I'm just dragging that to about halfway across the upper lash line. So now I'm just going in with a black pencil liner and lining my waterline. And then I'm just applying some lashes from Kiss, and then I'm also going to add some mascara to my top and bottom lashes. So there are a couple other things I want to add to the eyes, but I'm going to do that after we finish the face makeup. So I'm just going to apply some Benefit Cosmetics Hoola bronzer and bronze my face up with this. I'm just cleaning that contour up using some Kylie Cosmetics translucent powder. And then I'm just going to add some blush from Kylie Cosmetics. This is the Flutter in Love blush from the Stormy collection. I'm just going to place that on the apples of my cheeks. Adding a little bit to the tip of my nose. And then I'm just dusting that powder off. I said, I'm going back into the eyeshadow palette. I'm going to use this brown shade and my angled eyeshadow brush, and I'm just lining the inner corner of my eye. And then using a pencil brush, I'm going into the white shimmery shade called Fresh Squeezed, and going to place that on the inner corner of the eye. And I'm also adding that shade to the brow bone. For highlighter, I'm using my Kylie Cosmetics Cocoa Collection True Mama highlighter, and I am just going to place this on my cheekbones, down the bridge of my nose, and my Cupid's bow. So just adding a little bit of this to the inner corner of the eye just to really help make that part pop. And for lips, I'm just going to use a nude lip pencil from NYX, just line my lips. I'm just going to top that off using a Morphe Maddie Ziegler lip gloss in the shade Peach Pucker. And this is the finished look. Overall, I think this is a really fun and cute summer palette. It might not be your everyday go-to palette just because of the shades in it, but I do think it is still a fun palette to kind of play around with. So I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Hit the bell button to turn on your post notifications so you're notified when I upload a new video, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye!